Man, I'm, very disappointed. Obviously it's my first time missing weight. I'm just, like I said, very disappointed, losing the title on the scale, but I still got a job to do tomorrow. I'd lose the title, but I'm still going to win the fight tomorrow. Maybe, I put the blame on myself. There's nothing that could have, the last 3 pounds wouldn't come off. Maybe, not having the proper things I need, maybe sauna. I was only able to go to the gym, for an hour a day here, since I've got here. It's just a couple of different things, but, obviously I'm very disappointed in, stuff that's happening right now, but I still got a good job to do tomorrow.
Welcome to another edition of IMO Sports with Pedro Justice. Well, it looks as though David Benavidez has lost his WBC super middleweight title after coming in 2.8 pounds overweight for his title defense against Angulo. Man, he lost his belt before for testing positive for cocaine. Then he got it back. But this is the second time that he's lost his belt outside of the ring. He's still undefeated in the ring, but outside of the ring, he's caught 2 L's. Now, he talks a lot of trash about being the best, and he directs it at Caleb Plant. But if you watch Caleb Plant's social media pages, he's working out, he's training, he's staying in shape, he's getting ready. At his press conferences, he's saying what he's going to do. He said he's talked to David Benavidez before and told him what he was going to do. And now David Benavidez has come in here and lost his belt again. What are your thoughts about that? You're a young champion. I think he's like 23, undefeated, super middleweight champion. And all you have to do is come in with the right weight. And he doesn't do it. So that shows that he's not disciplined. I mean, to come in almost 3 pounds overweight means that you've been struggling the whole time. And I don't think he's taking this fight as seriously as he needs to. And guess what happens? Your belt gets taken away. So now it's serious. So now, is this going to delay the Caleb Plant fight even further now down the road because he can't be disciplined? Look at Caleb Plant. Caleb Plant, he's talking the talk. He's backing it up. He's walking the walk. David Benavidez, talking the talk. But he's not walking the walk if he can't make weight. This is a sign that either you're too big for the division or you're not being disciplined. And so now he's let his fans down. This is no longer a title fight. So let's see what excuse David Benavidez has for missing weight. Let me know what you think. Until next time, it's Pedro Justice.